Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The name of our project today is Hydrangea. I have my drawing ready and I'll show you how to paint each flower at a time. We will wet the whole surface first with clear water and wait until the shimmer is gone. Then we start applying these purple washes and some yellow touches to our flowers. When dry, start at the first petal at the top left by applying clear water to it and start painting with dark red at the very edge along the line of our drawing. Our goal is to have a crisp or firm edge but soft runs of red to the middle of our flowers. After this application, put a very fine line and apply it lightly from the edge, slightly curved to the center. We will be doing the same process as the rest of the petals. Painting this type of flower needs patience. Although we're painting the same flower over and over, the preparation and the repetitions are time-consuming. Since it is repetitive, it is easier to work on the next flowers. You can apply the same technique when painting other flowers or any other subject matter that needs the same procedure. Look at this flower. Observe how the color runs nicely from the edge to the center. We can let the color do its work, but we want to control the flow of the colors, like the way we do here. This type of flower also requires a lot of details. We are painting flowers within a flower. Hydrangea has different species and colors. I'd love to paint every one of them. What's interesting about this type of hydrangea is the very dark red around the petals and the soft pink to a lighter pink or almost white to the middle of the flower. It's almost like a live painting being grown. While we are working on every flower, we also need to work on the shaded areas or the inner space between flowers. There are stems or small bulbs in those areas, but those small bulbs are also called non-showy flowers. These small details in our painting are also an important characteristic of our flowers. It should be emphasized and displayed clearly in some areas. To add an interesting look, we put a hint of green in the center in most of our flowers. To those of you who are interested to see more of my paintings, please share and subscribe. This is just the beginning of my channel and we will be painting a lot and more interesting subjects. I just hope that by watching this, you will learn some techniques and encourage some of you to paint. Who knows? You have a hidden talent that you have not discovered yet. Anyway, this is my opportunity to share and show how I paint my paintings and encourage beginners that watercolor is actually fun. Do not get intimidated by this medium. You can paint images in watercolor in your own style. As you can see, we've already been painting several flowers of the same technique. And I've been highlighting the process so that you will be able to see how the application is done. We are now at the last flower of the flower head, and then we will start painting our background. We reapply our green and it is heavier this time. We mix sap green and viridian hue to the shadow areas. We can add a dab of indigo to the mixture to show a deeper space. When the background is dry, we can start painting the details of the leaves and their textures. We don't have to put all the details of every leaf. We can emphasize one or two and leave the rest blurry, or you can paint it loosely. So after our details and a few touch-ups, I think we have another project done. Again, please share and click subscribe, and see you next time. This is Jelly Storms, and thank you for watching.